Hello everyone, I am Mohit Tyagi from Packaging South Asia. Today we are with Mr. Kunal from Cybernetic. Uh, Hi sir.
Hi, nice to
How
meet
are
you.
you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Sir, first of all, please let us know about your company.
Sure. So, Cybernetik Technologies is an industrial automation company. We've been around since 1989, so 35 years and going strong now. We help companies, manufacturers in food and the beverage sector with complete turnkey automation solutions. So, we have solutions ranging right from food handling and processing all the way to complete packaging solutions, primary packing, secondary packing, and tertiary packing. Um, the wide range of solutions that we offer, all the way from raw material receiving to the end packaging, is what helps us deliver maximum value to our clients. We also take very good care of the quality of the products that we manufacture. We have everything that we do in-house, right from defining the project to the design to the manufacturing, and of course the complete erectioning, commissioning, installation, and service and support as well.
Sir, what are the products that has been highlighted here in Anuga Food?
So today at the Anuga FoodTec, we are focusing on our packaging machines. We have two demo machines that we are displaying. We have our Cobot Palletizing solution, and we have our 3-axis robot that is suitable for single plane pick and place operations.
Okay. Sir, how do you see the growth of the industries whom you are catering to?
I think the food industry is one industry that has always stood the test of time, and it has always grown year on year. With you see a lot of new companies still opening factories. You see existing brands opening new factories, growing internationally, and in general, there are certain sectors that have always outperformed the others, and all of these are basically opportunities that we take pride in, helping all of these food manufacturing companies grow and supply internationally.
And sir, where are your factories?
We have two factories located in Pune, and we have two factories located in Nadiad, Gujarat.
Okay. So, sir, how do you have any future expansion plans?
So, considering how business is growing, we have already acquired land for a fifth manufacturing facility in Maharashtra itself. This facility is bigger than all our current four facilities combined. And it's also strategically located closer to the ports, so it will help us with our international business.
So, you are exporting also?
Absolutely, yes. We export to a lot of countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, USA, and some of the European countries too.
So, sir, what are your expectations from this show?
In this show, we are hoping to strengthen some of our relations with our existing customers. We are hoping to meet many new manufacturers who we have not worked with in the past. Since we have solutions for smaller manufacturing companies like the Cobot Palletizer, like the three-axis robotic pick and place solution, we're hoping that we can convince more and more smaller manufacturing companies to start looking at automation in their manufacturing process.
Sir, who are your current and past customers, if you would like to know?
We work with some of the biggest brands globally. Some of our companies, our clients include Coca-Cola company, Hershey's, Mars. So the chocolate guys are all Hershey's, Mars, Mondelez, Kraft, Nestle, ITC, La Ronda, Barry Callebaut. Apart from that, in food, we work with food and beverage. We work with Bayer, Coca-Cola, ITC, Unilever. So quite a few companies under our belt. Right now, what is of the most important is, I think, flexibility in packaging process, flexibility in your manufacturing process. That is important because in today's day and age, the end consumer, his demand and his patterns are changing. People want sustainable products. People want sustainable packaging. And for that, manufacturers have to adjust and become agile to these changing demands. That is possible when you have automation in place. There are automation solutions like ours can be made in a modular way, can be made to handle flexibility and changes in the future. We employ technologies like digital twin in manufacturing. This will help manufacturers that when they're switching a certain part of their manufacturing process, there is no downtime in the actual manufacturing. The entire changes are done virtually, and then we can then just deploy them on the actual flow. So typical downtime in such cases could be 4 to 6 months. With a digital twin, it can be maybe 1 month, right? So these kind of solutions are what manufacturers need to start adopting in order to be agile and flexible to the changing consumer demand.
Yes, sir, thank you. And just a luck for your next release.
Thank you very much.